Hey everybody, it's Green Eagle 01 here, and today I will be doing an unboxing of the Dayan ZhanChi 3x3 Stickerless Cube. Okay, so this is the box it came in. I'm going to get my knife here, and let's see, take out the knife if I can find it. See, okay, got it. There. So I'm going to real fast cut it open. I ordered it from Amazon and Magic Cube Puzzles, so yeah. Okay, so here is some information. Okay, and there, so pretty much all it comes with is this paper bag or something, and here is a cube. So there's a guy with it's kind of focused, but he's with all these puzzles and whatnot. There's Dayan ZhanChi 3x3x3 speed cube 6 color stickerless. 3-layer magic cube says. There's like a little peek of the inside, and there's the top, and yeah, and there's the other side, and the bomb's just warning, created in China. Okay, so let's open this up. Those guys there. Open it there. Open it there. There you go. There's the cube. Let's take it out. Feels pretty nice. Wow, this thing is super smooth. Yeah, this thing is pretty smooth. I mean, this is a good cube. This is the first time. I mean, I tried it at school. Some of my friends had these cubes. This is my first time actually got one myself. So that. Let's see if we can do a 360. Wait a second. No, I can't. But as you can see, really nice cube. There's the little logo. A little bit blurry. Well, it says Dayan, and yeah, this cube is really good. So if you do some corner cutting right there, let's go there. Huh? Wait a second. I don't know why it's not doing that well. There we go. Wait. There we go. And then, so yeah. That's pretty much the review of the Dayan ZhanChi Stickerless Cube. And yeah, thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe.